Good morning. Today we'll talk about different ways in which we can consume water in the morning, empty stomach. For different health reasons and for different therapeutic issues, we need to have different ways of water. We can actually add different ingredients to the water to get the results. So let us start discussing one by one. First of all, PCOS. It is something which is very prevalent these days because of the kind of diet we people are following. We are a lot of dependency which is there on the processed foods and junk food. PCOS issue is happening, to major proportion of females. So what we can actually do is we can have cinnamon and we can just warm it up with water and we can consume that cinnamon water empty stomach in the morning to the patients who have PCOS issue. Now, if we talk about diabetes, which is again a very important concern these days, we can use fenugreek seeds. That's called methi dana. So what we are supposed to do is we can take 1 teaspoon of methi seeds and we can actually soak it overnight. In the morning, just warm it up a little bit and you just strain it and consume it empty stomach. So methi water is really good for diabetes patients. Number 3, if we talk about hypothyroid is again something which is of a major concern these days due to the lifestyle and eating habits, plus the stress as well. We can actually use coriander seeds as a very good substitute. So again, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds can be soaked in a glass of water overnight, and in the morning you can actually warm it up a little bit and consume it lukewarm. Weight loss, if we talk about weight loss, we again can have different forms of water. So what we can do is we can use 10 ml of apple cider vinegar, which can be taken in 1 glass of lukewarm water and it can be consumed empty stomach. It really works upon the weight and helps in the fat loss as well. Another important issue which majorly we people are facing because of the stress and lack of the healthy nutrients in the diet is a hair loss. So what we can do is amla is something which is a very good substitute. And it is very high in antioxidants and it gives you a lot of vitamin C. So again, 10 ml of amla juice can be included in a glass of water, in a glass of lukewarm water, then it can be consumed empty stomach in the morning, which really helps in preventing your hair loss further. So that is for the hair loss. Arthritis is again something which is of too much prevalence. So what you can do is we can have lukewarm water with maybe 2 pinch of turmeric to it. We can add turmeric to it and we can have turmeric water in the morning for the people who are suffering with arthritis and who are having these pains and all. So the turmeric water is something which is of again very beneficial and which helps in reducing the the symptoms which we usually get. Okay, so again I'll just repeat it once again. Apple cider vinegar you can have for weight loss, methi water you can have for diabetes, coriander water you can have for hypothyroid patients, cinnamon water can be consumed with the people who have PCOS. Similarly, turmeric water can be consumed for the people who are having arthritis. Another very important thing is the people who have indigestion issues or maybe who are not who have gastric issues can have jeera water in the morning. That's cumin seed water in the morning. Same process, 1 teaspoon of jeera has to be soaked overnight and in the morning just lukewarm condition you can consume it empty stomach. Another important thing which usually happens is this constipation. If the patient is having constipation, you can actually include chia seeds along with the water, which helps in improving the bowel movement and it really works upon this constipation issues. So pre-night you have to soak half a teaspoon of chia seeds in a glass of water, and you can just in the morning just consume it empty stomach. Thank you.